came on a Tuesday evening. Sirens lit the street, neighbors peering from curtains. Officers poured into his yard, kicked open the shed, and dragged out boxes of pills, stacks of cash, and unregistered weapons. Carl screamed about mistakes, about rights, about how none of it was his, but his wrists still fit the cuffs. The neighborhood that had once shrunk under his glare now stood outside, watching him shoved into the back of a squad car. The trial stripped him bare. The jury saw the photos, heard the recordings, read the reports. Distribution, weapons charges, assault on a minor, guilty. He went from porch tyrant to inmate in a matter of weeks. When Ethan heard the news, he asked me why Carl wasn't around anymore. I told him bullies don't last forever. He smiled, picked up his ball, and played without fear for the first time in months. And me? I sit on the porch some nights, listening to the silence. The air feels lighter without Carl's shadow choking it. He thought he owned this street. Now, every night when a cell door slams, he remembers the day he laid hands on my brother. He remembers the shadows that watched, the evidence that crushed him, the neighbors who no longer feared him, and he remembers me, the brother who turned his shove into a sentence.